Hello everyone, I have an Amazon package today. Welcome back if you are new to my channel, Korean's Crash with Hayden. If you are returning, welcome back. And I hope you enjoy my video for today. I have a package for today. I was just doing rainbow loom with this. I was doing a necklace for Valentine's Day. So that's what I was doing. And let's just clean the house and the things too. If you hear that noise, sorry. It's the neighbors. I don't know what they're doing. But let's just open this and see. I know where it is, but let's see what we got. I just wanted to show you guys. So it's color pencils because I've been an artist for a long time, and I got the premium color pencil soft core set from Amazon, and I really want to try this out. I'm so excited for this. Oh, 72 guys. So let's this is a cover chart. Yeah. So let's open them. So it's afterlife. So let's open them up nicely. Oh, I missed it. Anyways, I'm getting case for this on Amazon. I don't know when. Oh, they come like this. So heavy. I was waiting for me to do a video today. I was waiting for this. So, it's so pretty. So this is my video for today. Happy birthday, guys. This is the box. I'm gonna keep the box. Just put it right in there. So these are the color pencils. They look so nice. They're the brand kalour. I think. So yeah, here is how they look. Pretty sure this works right there. They feel nice. It's calibre. Number 025. Yeah. So let's test them out. Oops. Let's test them out on my sketch pad. This is my sketch pad. So let's do it with black first. What's this one? This is a really good pen for outlines. So let's put KALOR, color. Two color pencils. And they were around $13 with tax. So let's see. They feel so soft. Wow. Really like them. I'm not gonna show all of them on camera. Just some. So let's do orange or red. This is red. Really soft, guys. I like these color pencils. Let's do yellow. Let's green. Blue. and pink. And purple is pretty light purple, as I said. So these are really nice. All the pencils that I have are not good quality, and this is really good quality. So this is how I trust them. Now let's test it out on my coloring book. Test it out on my coloring book. This one. Close my stitch. So yeah. Okay, so let's see. I was doing this is the ones I have colored before. I was doing this page last time. So let's do this page. I was working on this. Okay. Do you want like this? Oh no. I think we do. So let's color the roof with green. Let's do dark first. Really nice pencils, guys. Trust me. For their price, it's really good. I'm gonna outline and then color it with light green. So I'm using coconut green. Pretty nice green. I'm just gonna outline on the leaf. Sorry, I have an iPad on there, and I just like something, so yeah. Nice. Now let's do light green, spring, or yellow green. Let's swap them up. On my sketch pad. Sorry, I still have it open. Anyway, guys, how are you guys doing today? Let me know in the comments. Let's see. So let's swap this one. This is yellowish, not my favorite for this leaf. I really want it to blend in. Is that right? I like that one. Let's see, let's do shiny green. I really like this color. Shiny green. Let's see. Yep. It really needs to blend with the other color. Yep. And guys, I've been to art classes, so I know what I'm doing. So yeah, that teaches me how to blend and like how to use the materials, and they do. So that's why I know how to blend colors. But this is just for fun. So yeah. So yeah. As you could tell, the ignited chocolate again. I have an electric chocolate. I got that from. Wait, sorry guys. If you hear airplanes, I live near the airport, so I was hear airplanes in my ear. That's why. And people doing this as well. So as I was saying, I got that one from Office Depot long time ago. So let's get my chocolate. There's my chocolate. And sorry if you hear that noise, I put music. This is 10 minutes already, so. It's okay. I guess. Yeah. So that's my chocolate for a long time ago. As I was saying. Okay, let's put this away. So now let's do like the, I don't know what this is called. It's just so great. Let's do light green. This is, yep, light green. Yeah, this is this one. Can you guys see? Just move it a little bit. Oh no, it's just pink gray because it's the most fun color to use for this. Again, sorry for the noise. Now that's up and I'm halfway done with this video. That's alright. So So my hoping so maybe it'll let me trying out these color pencils. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed my video of me coloring, testing out some new color pencils as well. So yeah, let me know. Let me just finish this and I'll end the video. Okay, alright, we're finished. I use black. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications when I upload my video. Also share and press that thumbs up button so more people can see my videos and subscribe for me on my YouTube channel. If you like this content, let me know. I will also be doing graphic painting, but I've just been busy and this is an easy thing to do. So yeah, just let me know. And I'll see you guys in a later day. Bye!